Today we're going to break down the wild science behind love. Let's dive in and decode the emotional roller coaster your brain is secretly running. No fairy tale, just raw, unfiltered science. Think of this. You're minding your own business, scrolling through memes when your friend, who was perfectly normal 5 minutes ago, suddenly gasps. Their phone screen is glowing like it holds the secrets of the universe. Their pupils dilate, and they start typing with the intensity of a hacker in a Hollywood movie. Then the giggling starts. That annoying, high-pitched giggle that only means one thing. They're texting their crush. Congratulations! You've just witnessed the tragic downfall of a rational human being into the abyss of love. And no, it's not fate. It's chemistry turning their brain into emotional soup. Ever felt personally attacked by your own brain for catching feelings? Well, brace yourself because it's all part of nature's sneaky little plan. Love, an age-old mystery that poets romanticize, movies exaggerate, and scientists attempt to dissect. But is it really a mystery? Or is it just your brain engaging in an elaborate chemical con job? The truth is, love isn't magic. It's a carefully orchestrated biochemical reaction designed to keep you hooked, obsessed, and just unhinged enough to make questionable life choices. Yep, your brain has been scamming you this whole time. When you fall in love, your brain is thrown into chaos. Cortisol, the stress hormone, skyrockets, making you nervous and jittery. Oxytocin, often dubbed the cuddle hormone, surges, wrapping you in an illusion of trust and intimacy. Meanwhile, serotonin, the chemical responsible for keeping you stable, plummets, leaving you obsessing over every text, every glance, and every minor interaction. Essentially, falling in love is like experiencing a chemically induced roller coaster where logic and self-preservation take a back seat. Scientists have spent years trying to understand love, often turning to monogamous prairie voles for answers. These little rodents exhibit human-like pair bonding, and researchers found that dopamine, the reward chemical, plays a crucial role. Block dopamine, and the vole loses interest in its partner, much like when your favorite TV show suddenly goes downhill. So basically, your brain treats love like a binge-worthy Netflix series, hooking you in, making you obsessed, and then dragging you through all the drama. But dopamine isn't the only factor. For women, oxytocin is the key to emotional attachment. It spikes with physical intimacy, reinforcing trust and connection. For men, however, oxytocin doesn't work the same way. Thanks to testosterone, its effects are somewhat muted. Instead, men bond through vasopressin, another hormone that increases with emotional connection, until, of course, sex happens. Then vasopressin levels can crash, potentially leading to emotional detachment. This brings us to an age-old piece of wisdom, one that generations of grandmothers have sworn by. Men fall in love when they commit, while women fall in love through emotional and physical bonding. And as it turns out, science agrees. Studies have shown that a man's testosterone levels drop when he commits to a relationship, allowing bonding hormones to take effect. The same phenomenon occurs in married men and men in long-term committed relationships, further proving that love, for men, isn't about immediate emotional attachment, but rather the decision to stay. So is love a beautiful connection or just evolutionary trickery? Stick around to find out. So, what does this mean? Is love a lie? Not exactly. It's real, but it's also a carefully crafted biochemical trap set by evolution to ensure survival and reproduction. That overwhelming rush of emotions, the feeling of destiny, the constant daydreaming, it's all your brain doing exactly what it was designed to do. And the next time you find yourself hopelessly smitten, unable to function, just remember, you're not in love. You're under the influence of your own neurotransmitters. Good luck with that. Ever felt like love is just a never-ending emotional roller coaster? Hold on tight because science says you're right. Falling in love is like running on autopilot. You don't plan it, it just happens. Imagine your brain as a machine that suddenly switches on when you see someone attractive. Your heart beats faster, your palms get sweaty, and your thoughts become all about them. It's like a song stuck in your head. You analyze every word they say, every look they give, and every message they send. Your mind is constantly replaying moments, trying to make sense of why this person feels so special. Does love make us smarter or just extremely irrational? The science might shock you. As time passes, your feelings grow stronger and logic starts taking a back seat. You become attached, trust builds, and you don't notice their flaws as much. It's like being addicted to your favorite food. You crave it more and more. You feel happy, excited, and obsessed, thinking about them all the time. The rush is intense, and you don't want it to end. But love doesn't stay at full speed forever. Eventually, it settles into something calmer and more stable. The excitement may not be as wild as before, but the connection deepens. It's like your favorite old song. It doesn't give you the same thrill as the first time you heard it, but it's comforting, familiar, and always there when you need it. Tell us in the comments, what's your most hilariously irrational love story? Of course, love isn't always smooth. Just like anything in life, problems come up, misunderstandings, arguments, and trust issues. Some problems can be fixed with patience and communication, while others, like betrayal, can break everything apart. When a relationship ends, it feels like you have to start over, like wiping the slate clean before trying again. If love is a game, why do we keep playing? Because the highs are worth the lows. All right, let's settle this once and for all. Are we really choosing to fall in love, or is our brain just running some pre-installed love files without our permission? Are we in control, or are we just passengers on the biology express? Drop your wildest takes in the comments. And if you like what we are doing, you can show us your support by hitting that subscribe button. See you guys. Can't wait to meet you in our next video. Until next time, stay strong.